A penny saved is a penny earned. Ben Franklin.
Your savings should be 7% of your income.
The safe way to double your money is to fold it over once and put it in your pocket. Frank Hubbard.
Set aside 25 to 30% of your income for your mortgage.
Never spend money before you have it. Thomas Jefferson.
Set aside 10 to 20% of your income for your car payment.
Car sickness is the feeling you get when the monthly payment is due. Author unknown.
Utilities like electricity, gas, cable, and phone should not exceed 10% of your income. Too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want to impress people they don't like. Will Rogers.
Insurance like homeowners, life, car should not exceed 5% of income.
Grocery items should be no more than 15% of your income.
Nowadays, people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. Oscar Wilde.
Personal items should make up 10% of your income. Money has never made man happy, nor will it. There is nothing in its nature to produce happiness. The more of it one has, the more he wants. Benjamin Franklin.
Your debt should not exceed 8% of your income. Transportation should be no more than 2% of your total income.
Money can't buy you happiness, but it does bring you a more pleasant form of misery. Spike Milligan.